welcome back, and hope you're all having a great start to the 2025 season. For today's game, I'm out in Oshawa, Ontario at Clarington Airsoft to take part in their season opener big game, the Maple Wars. I hope to have the first game published in a bit, but for now we're going to skip to the second game of the day. Unfortunately, since the field didn't have HPA refills available on site, I missed the first chunk of this game trying to find a local shop. After rushing back, me and my buds Matt and Johnny are going to jump right into the fray. Today's goal is to collect syrup, or water bottles, which were refined in the first game by the enemy Republic team. Our coalition team is attempting to capture all of the refined syrup that they've hidden away in a central facility on the map. If we can take the lot of them back to our command post, we'll clinch a win. Since I joined late, our teams managed to capture the majority of the syrup. With the last few bottles to go, let's get to it already and hop right into the match. For this game, anytime a player is hit, they have a 2-minute bleed out before being eliminated. Anyone can medic up a down player after 20 seconds, so let's go get Matt back up.
1, 2, 3.
I didn't realize he was shot in the back, so feeling a wee bit exposed here.
8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 17, 18, 19, 20. One in the, oh, yeah.
Yo, careful, yeah, there's people on the hill.
Sorry. Oh, okay, out. Oh, damn it.
Everybody. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, right outside here.
Right the fucking...
Yeah, like literally like looking out.
Yo, they are behind us. Behind us where?
Like literally right there.
Yeah, right up there, right out the door. Don't...
So sorry, there's a guy literally right here.
Yeah, watch it.
Oh, come in.
Got him.
Jeez.
Oh. Whoops. Why did he drop you?
Come on over here. Okay, we're gonna go down. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Alright, thank you.
Where'd you go, buddy?
And with that, our team managed to get the full stock of syrup back to our base and win the game. Big thanks to Clarington Woods Airsoft for hosting, and all the best for the 2025 season ahead. This was a really fun scenario to take part in, and the field provided a lot of variety to the gameplay, so if you guys are in the area, definitely go check them out. I've got some links in the description below. I hope to get game 1 out soon enough before making my way back out west. We'll have some new toys to play around with there, so keep an eye out for those in future videos. As always, thanks a ton for watching. If you enjoyed the video, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.